at a payphone trying to call home.
Who is this?
Who's Davy Craze? Who else would it be?
I don't know you.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you.
I've been worried sick about you. Where are you?
I'm at a payphone. Duh. Obviously.
Okay. Are you still lost?
One way or another, I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna get you, get you, get you, get you.
Oh good, because I'm really starting to miss you. Do you miss me too?
When you're gone, the pieces of my heart are missing you.
Aw, you know I really like you, right?
I really like you too.
Aw, you like me?
No. I like you too. The band, obviously.
Oh, well, when do you think you're gonna be home?
I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Tell the world that I'm coming home.
That's great, but when?
I'll be home for Christmas.
What? That's months away. Where's this payphone you're calling me from anyways?
I'm just down the street from you.
Well then there's no reason why you can't be here in 5 minutes. I expect to see you soon. Bye.
Hello? Are you there? Hello? Hello?